What is an eVISA?
An eVISA is an online record of your immigration status, for entering or staying in the UK, accessed through a UKVI account. In the future, an eVISA will replace physical documents, for UK travel, requiring only a registered passport or travel document in your UKVI account. The benefits of eVisas include: they are secure and cannot be lost, stolen or tampered with, unlike a physical document. You will not need to wait for, or collect, a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, and we will tell you if you need to do this. It will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border, and share your status with third parties like employers and landlords.
Why do I need a UKVI account?
UKVI are replacing physical documents with an online record of your immigration status. You need to create a UKVI account to access your eVISA and share information about your immigration status and conditions, such as your right to work or rent in the UK, using the View and Prove service. You do not have to pay to create a UKVI account.
How will I use my UKVI account?
Once your UKVI account is created, you can view your eVISA details online, permission type, expiry date, and stay conditions in the UK. You can update your personal information in your UKVI account, such as your contact details. Link your eVISA to your passport in your UKVI account and keep passport or ID details updated. Notify UKVI of any changes to easily identify your immigration status at the UK border. Carry current passport. You can provide your immigration status to others through a share code in the View and Prove service. This code gives temporary access to your information, with the option to generate a new code whenever needed. No need to memorize a single code to prove your status.
How do I get an eVISA and a UKVI account? We will also cover the frequently asked questions. If you have a biometric residence permit, BRP.
If you have a biometric residence permit, BRP, and expires on the 31st of December 2024. Keep your expired BRP card as it may help with future applications to stay in the UK. You may also want it for your records. You can use your travel document or visa application reference number to create a UKVI account if you've lost your BRP card. Request a replacement only if you have no other identity document. Once you create your account, you can use the View and Prove service to access your eVISA.
If you have another physical document. If you have indefinite leave to enter or remain, settled status, and currently prove your rights through a physical document, you should apply for a no time limit (NTL) to replace it with a BRP, which will allow you to create a UKVI account to access your eVISA. If your application under the EU settlement scheme is successful, you will get a UKVI account and access to an eVISA automatically. If you have a biometric residence card. If you have a biometric residence card, BRC, and have been granted EU settlement scheme status, you already have an eVISA. Access and use your eVISA can be found in your grant letter or email. Keep your BRC with you when traveling internationally. If you have a BRC without EU settlement scheme status, another form of immigration leave, or become a British citizen, your BRC is invalid due to the UK's departure. If you are a British or Irish citizen with a passport.
If you are a British or Irish citizen, and you hold a British or Irish passport, you do not need an eVISA or a UKVI account and do not need to do anything. You should continue to use your passport to prove your status in the UK. If you are a British citizen and are also a national of another country, other than Ireland, or you have the right of abode in the UK and you do not have a British passport, then you may need to take action in future. We'll update this page to tell you what you need to do. If you need to make a new application. If you need to make a new application for permission to stay in the UK, you should follow the usual application process. There will be information and guidance provided during your application process if you need to create a UKVI account.